taking a quiz in Moodle. Now I have already logged in, and now what I need to do is to find that quiz. Now there are multiple ways to find the quiz. If you look right here on the activities tab, you'll see that there are quizzes. You can click here. I'm waiting for the page to load, and then from there you're able to access the quiz. Now what the quiz I'm interested in is the general knowledge quiz. The other way to access the quiz is from the main course area in the course material column. So scrolling down, here's the general knowledge quiz. Now let's click into this general knowledge quiz and see what it is to take a quiz in Moodle. Now the first thing what you'll see once you have clicked into this quiz are some instructions from this lecturer. You're seeing some additional information like what method will be used to grade this quiz and what's the time limit on this quiz. Now I'm going to click attempt quiz now to start my quiz. And here it's telling me that there's a time limit. Are you sure you wish to start? I'm clicking OK. And the quiz will start. Now waiting on the quiz to start. Now one of the first things I wanted to pay attention to is the timer. Not all quizzes will be timed, but if there's a timer, you should pay attention to it so you don't run out of time. Now, here's a question. What cell phone provider has the highest number of subscribers in Jamaica? Clicking Digicel. If you notice, I do not click submit after each question. I just go ahead and do each question. Move on to the next. Next. What's the capital of Kingston? And at the end of the quiz, I click submit all and finish. And here it's asking me a question. You're about to close this attempt. Once you have closed the attempt, you will no longer be able to change your answers. And click OK. So I've finished my quiz. Now this page you might or might not get. This page is dependent on the settings which has been set for that quiz. So a lecturer can decide not to allow you to review your quiz, or lecturer might decide not to allow you to view how well you have done on the quiz so far. But in this case, I'm allowed to view how well I've done on my quiz, and I'm able to review what the questions were, and what my responses were. So that's it for doing a quiz in Moodle. Here I've clicked finish quiz again, and here it's telling me what my attempt was, how many questions, what my grade was. So that's it for taking a quiz in Moodle. Hope you understand.